Good day, boys and girls. How are you today? I wish you to be fine. Today we have a new lesson, and it's so interesting. You will like it, but it needs from you to focus and to study hard. Are you ready? Let's start. Our new lesson today is even and odd numbers. Even and odd numbers. What are they? Let's recognize them. Even numbers, they are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. How do we know if the number is even or odd? Let's see. Number 1. Number 1 is alone. No friends for him. So we call number 1 odd number. What about number 2? Number 2, they are friends. No one is left over without any friend. So number 2 is even. What about number 3? Number 3 has 2 friends and 1 is left over without any friends. That's why number 3 is odd number. What about number 4? In number 4, each 2 are friends and no one is left over. That's why number 4 is even number. What about the next numbers? Try to know by yourselves. For example, number 5. Number 5, each 2 are friends and 1 is left over without any friends. That's why number 5 is odd number. And number 6. In number 6, each 2 are friends and no one is left over. That's why number 6 is even number. Number 7. Is number 7 even or odd number? What do you think, boys and girls? Each 2 are friends in number 7 and there's 1 left over. That's why 7 is odd number. What about number 8? Each 2 are friends and no one is left over. So number 8 is even number. Number 9. In number 9, each 2 are friends and 1 is left over. So number 9 is odd number. Boys and girls, what about if we have 2-digit numbers or more? How we will know if they are even or odd numbers? Let's see. Even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Examples. 4 is even number. 56 ends in 6. And 6 is even number. So 56 is even number. 730. It ends in 0. And 0 is even number. That's why 730 is even number. Let's move to odd numbers. Odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Examples. 9 is odd number. 83 ends in 3. and 3 is odd number. That's why 83 is odd number. 641, it ends in 1, and 1 is odd number. That's why 641 is odd number. So boys and girls, as a result, we look for the ones place. If the ones place is even number, so all the number is even number. And if the ones place is odd number, so all the number will be odd number. And now let's do it. Choose if the number is even or odd. 7 is odd number because each 2 are friends and 1 is left over. 5 is odd number because each 2 are friends and 1 is left over. What about 6? Even number. Great job, because each 2 are friends and no 1 is left over. 3 is odd number because 2 are friends and 1 is left over. What about 8? 8 is even number. Great job. What about 4? 4 is even number. 11. 11 is odd number because the ones in 11 is 1 and 1 is odd number. That's why 11 is odd number. Or let's see the socks. Each 2 are friends and 1 is left over. Now, if we add even number plus even number, the answer will be even number. Even number plus odd number, the answer will be odd number. Odd number plus odd number, the answer will be even number. So, even plus even equal even. Odd plus odd equal even. Only if we add even and odd number, the answer will be odd number. For examples, 2 plus 2 equal 4. 2 is even number and 4 is even number. So even plus even equal even. 7 plus 7 equal 14. 7 is odd number and 14 is even number. So odd plus odd equal even. So till now, even and even, the answer will be even. Odd and odd, the answer will be even. Now, 3 plus 4 equal 7. 3 is odd number, 4 is even number, and 7 is odd number. So odd plus even equal odd. 6 plus 5 equal 11. 6 is even number, 5 is odd number, 11 is odd number. So even plus odd equal odd. So when we add even number and odd number, the answer will be odd number. Let's hear the song. I wish you like it. Here we go.
Even and odd, two different sets of numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are some of our even numbers. Even and odd, two different sets of numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are some of our odd numbers. tropical fish, even numbers of crabs and fish I saw at the beach. You saw 3 beautiful flowers and 5 colorful birds. Odd numbers of flowers and birds you saw in the mountains. Even and odd, 2 different sets of numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 are some of our even numbers. Even and odd, 2 different sets of numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are some of our odd numbers.
Now, boys and girls, open your book to page number 852. And let's start doing the practices. Look at the number, circle even or odd, then write the equation. Number 1. Is 8 odd or even number? Great job, 8 is even number. What about the equation? Boys and girls, you can know the equation by looking at the cubes in the first row and second row. The first row represents the first addend and the second row represents the second addend. How many cubes in the first row? 4, great job. And how many cubes in the second row? 4. So 4 plus 4 equal 8. Now number 2. Is 11 odd or even number? Well done, 11 is odd number. And how many cubes in the first row? 6. And how many cubes in the second row? 5. 6 plus 5 equal 11. Now page number 853. Look at the number, circle even or odd, then write the equation. Use cubes to help. Number 9. Is it even or odd number? 9 is odd number. And what is the equation? 5 plus 4 equal 9. What about 18? Is 18 odd or even number? 18 is even number. Great job. And what's the equation? 9 plus 9 equal 18. Now number 10. Is it odd or even number? 10 is even number. And what's the equation? 5 plus 5 equal 10. Now let's move to number 13. Is 13 odd or even number? Let's see the ones. The ones is a 3. And 3 is odd number. So 13 is odd number. Great job. What about the equation? How will we know it? Listen to me, boys and girls. I will draw cubes up and down till I reach to number 13. Then see how many cubes in the first row and the second row to know the equation. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, what's the equation? 7 plus 6 equal 13. Great job. Now number 7. Is number 7 odd or even number? 7 is odd number. Great job. And the same we did to number 13 to know the equation, we will do to number 7. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what's the equation? 4 plus 3 equal 7. Number 6. Is number 6 even or odd number? 6 is even number. Now let's draw to know the equation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the equation is 3 plus 3 equal 6. Great job. Now number 9, higher order thinking. Carl says 14 is even. He says 41 is odd. True or false? What do you think, boys and girls? 14 is odd or even number? 14 is even number. Why? Because it has 4 as ones, and 4 is even number, so 14 is even number. So 14 is even, true. 41 is odd number. Why? Because the ones is 1 and 1 is odd number, so 41 is odd. So 41 is true also. That's it for now. Thank you for listening, boys and girls. Study hard, please, and bye-bye.